Welcome back to my channel. I'm back in my garage for season 2 of In the Garage with Dom the DP. For those of you who don't know who I am, my name is Dominic. I am a sports cinematographer and documentary storyteller based out of Central California. I've been shooting the National Football League since 2007, and I've been employed at Fresno State since 2015. The responses I got were overwhelming from my first 9 episodes last year. In an effort to keep that going, I want you to help me shape my content for 2021. Just as you did in 2020. My goal this year is to reach 1,000 subscribers. I think we can do it, but I'm gonna need your help. Drop your questions down below on the content you'd like to see me produce. So with that being said, if you haven't already done so, please subscribe, turn on notifications so you can be some of the first people to know when I do drop new content. Thanks again, and I'm excited for season 2 of In the Garage with Dom the DP. Take care.